Testing, testing, 1, 2. This is Curtis Judge, and today we are doing a lab. Right here are my folders, and here's my Unreal project, and here's my Unreal project right here, but it's also in my OS drive. Right here, right here, you can press D to go right, A to go left, W for forward, S for backward, E for up, and Q for down. And you can freely move around, freely to look around using the right mouse button, and can scroll forward and backward quickly using the middle mouse. Here there are two sections, the outliner and the details. For the outliner, it hosts all the actors, aka the items, and their types. The real reason why this is important is for you to organize everything to see where they need to go. And of course, you can search all your items that you're losing to make it easier. For the details, you can alter the appearance of any of the items. This is important to being able to change everything. You can alter the appearance on any of your items just for rendering, such as the geometry, the HOLD, the surface materials, which is important, the transformations. You can scale them, rotate them, and locate them. And you can also use surface properties for the geometry. All right, now we're on to the two items. This is a geometry, and this is a static mesh. What you see here, the geometry in the difference, the geometry and the static mesh are different. You see, for geometry, it has sides, vertices, and edges. Used to be altered and can be altered using brush editing and modeling. For static meshes, they cannot. They can, however, in fact, can be scaled, rotated, and moved around. Now, another difference is between the uses of the materials. When we use the materials on the geometry, only one face has it, and so if we put more materials on each face of the geometry, they will become in fact different, and will actually be misplaced. So to fix this, we use the pan section to go one right and one left, up and down, just to fit, and even rotating and its scale. But for the static mesh, however, it fits everything. It fits the material covers all around the static mesh. While static meshes cannot be altered, the geometry can. And this is done by using brush editing. Can be used by brush editing, in which I use to build these walls and the floor, replacing everything. And if I move it right here, it actually turns into another shape. It alters to another shape. You press and select multiple parts. You press crit and you click alter shape, and there we go. Right here you see is my game. This is where I was able to build my walls and alter their appearance using the tools provided in the details. And this is where I put my blocks. See right here? The materials are still the same, but the shape is not. And that concludes my lab. Thank you very much.